Hi, Sue here, Tenacious bitch. Things are just falling apart. Now it's the outdoor lighting. 12 years ago we put in an extensive outdoor lighting system, and it shines underneath the plants and against the house and against the stone wall that we have, and it looks really beautiful. So now I am standing underneath my dogwood tree, and I'm going to show you the unit, the offending unit that is not working. And there it is. You can see the light bulb inside. And I turned it on and it didn't light. So what I gotta do is I gotta pull this out. You can see I did some landscaping around it. And I've got to push this out and then undo the back, which I will do. Oops, sorry about the cleavage there. So I'm going to pull this apart and then I'll see you back again, okay? So, and keep in mind, if this Tenacious bitch can do this, you can too. Let's see if this works. Okay, Sue here, Tenacious bitch, not using selfie mode. I had to replace these little crimps. I had to use a wire stripper, and then I had to crimp these back onto the wires. Then I had to buy this new bulb because the old one came undone. The post came right off. Look at that. See how it's missing? In fact, I gotta find that part because somebody's, oh, here it is. It's in the grass. Somebody will step on that. So that's trash. Have a new bulb. Attach these wires. Put the little foot between the little tightening bolt there, and then screw these screws in really tight. And then I am going to pull this through. And this is going to take two hands, and get this underneath there and get a nice tight seal, and then put this around it so it shines up on my dogwood tree. And when I do that, I'll be back. Okay, so here, today's bitch. Oh man, it just goes from bad to worse. There's always something. Anyways, so I had to dig a hole for the wire, make a trench for it to hide it so that it doesn't, get shoveled by mistake. You never know. Some industrious young person that you give a few dollars to shovel, they might, cut your wire. So anyways, here it is. I got this all together in here. And this has got a waterproof thing in here. The wire is buried. I know the rest of the system works because the lights come on. So obviously I did all of this with the system unplugged, and you're about to see, I'm going to pick up my tools and my trash, and you're about to see what I did in the, okay, we're going back to the infamous basement. Yeah, that infamous basement. Okay, I'll take care of that. I got to drop this. So this is, I used, spades and these things. I'll show you my wire strips and stuff. I've already returned that. And I stole this from my framing drawer. This is trash, okay? Going back into the house. We might get a nice little tour of the house. Okay, so I'm coming in. Oops, I got CNN on. Just disregard that. Disregard the man behind the curtain. Disregard the fact that the emperor has no clothes, but nobody's willing to tell him. Oh, but that's just another story for another day. Okay, so I've got my trash. This is going in a regular trash. My under the sink trash. Oh, man. All right. Oh, there's the little dog looking for her mother. Okay. All right, we're going down to the basement. Ooh, all the lights on already. My hands are filthy because I've been digging in the dirt. Hey, but you know what? A colored manicure hides a lot of dirt underneath the nails. Okay. Now, here is my timing unit. Here's my timing unit. And you can see the plug is undone from the timer. Now, what I want to do is I got to climb up on this chair. You got to be careful about climbing on stuff. I'm gonna do this. Oops. Okay. Alrighty. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. I'm unplugging the timer from the box. This is just so the lights aren't on all the time. And you can see that the timer, the box is plugged in, but this is the lights. So I'm gonna plug this in. And now we're gonna go outside and see if that damn light works. This is it. This is it. I'm getting off my chair. Oh man, I look like hell. There's a boat ride. People are, I live on a lake, and there's people out in the boat. They say, come on, Sue, come for a boat ride with us. And I said, oh, I can't. I'm fixing my landscaping lighting. I'll hurry. They said, no, take your time, take your time. So I was going to set my hair, got my curlers plugged in and all that kind of stuff. Well, that ship has sailed. Oh, there we go. Got a little overexposed there. Yeah, I'm doing all of this in selfie mode with an iPhone. And I could do better. I have a camera with a tripod and all this kind of stuff, but it's just so much easier with this. I think I'm gonna cry. Because my sweetheart's looking over my shoulder and he told me where everything is. You know that wire strip is? It's where I keep all the electrical stuff. Okay, honey, I found it. Look at that. Look at that. OMG. It works. And I fixed it myself. This is hard. This is so hard, living without the one you love. The love of your life. You brought him to the hospital fully expecting to bring him home. And then a week later, they're talking to you like, how zealous do you want us to be in saving his life? You're just prolonging his suffering. But this is my husband that you're talking about. You can't be talking like this about the love of my life. I'm getting maudlin here, but yeah, my whole world fell apart without a moment's notice. Well, and all we had noticed, he had cancer. And he was on chemo, but we fully expected it to work. Because it's worked before. It's worked for me. It worked for my granddaughter. But it did not work for my sweetheart. So anyways, I have all these things. I have his big F-150 truck. I have his John Deere tractor trailer. Oh yeah, look at that. My dad's 28 Model A Ford. It just needs to be, look at that. There's a fender jack. There's a jack stand on that holding the bumper to the running board. I did the, look at this. I did this in the interior. God, we were going to register this and drive it. I can't even run it till we get this back together. My brother's going to help me. This was something that was done, here's a 29. And we finished this in 92 and my dad was still alive. He got to see this. Both these are my dad's cars. And then, oh, wait till you see this one. This is the one I've done another video on about fixing the dashboard. Yeah, so I'm fixing everything. Oh, look at that. Look at that SRT, will you? Yeah, I'm fixing everything. And look at these bushes I gotta trim. Everything's overgrown. Oh my God, look at the things I've gotta trim, all the stuff I've gotta do. All right, so I'm going back into the house. God, this is so hard. So what you see in this, yeah, it's tears of grief, and some tears of joy, because, hey, this tenacious bitch can fix stuff. So I'm gonna go back down to the basement. I hope you're not getting dizzy from all the spinning around you're doing. Oh, it's getting dark in here, so I've got to like tap on the little square again. Got my hands on the railings. Going back down. Okay, so the lights, they work. I did have to use the new bulb after all. You don't have to buy the whole kit though. All I needed was the bulb, and what I bought instead was the kit. So now I'm climbing on this chair again, and coming up here. All right, I'm unplugging the light, and I am plugging the timer back in, and there's a battery in here. You can see the time says 4:21 p.m. Those lights will come on in the dark. Oh, how do you do this? All right, and I plug this into the side, and when the timing is just right, close that box, the lights will come on. This is right over my laundry center. So I'm so short that I can't reach it. Oh, darn, now I can't get my foot on the chair. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so you recall, last week it was the dryer I was fixing. This thing works great. Fluffing my pillows. Oh, look at this. This dryer, look at that. I fixed the light bulb in it. Look at that, look at this. I fluffed my pillows in it. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. That works. Yeah, all these projects I've been working on, I am so damn proud of myself. So, got my fluffed pillows, bringing them upstairs. I gotta wash the dirt out from underneath my fingernails. I am so freaking happy that light works. God, I think Hugh is whispering into my left ear and telling me how to do these things, where to find the tools. And life goes on. This is hard. I hope that other women who might be searching for things like this to do realize that it's not impossible, that it is quite possible to do things for yourself. Oh, let's see. I'm going on the deck. Oh, I think my ride just went by. So I live on a lake, and here we are. So I got friends on the lake. They're coming out. They're coming out. They're letting the water out of the dam, so we've got to take our boats out soon. And so everybody's going for a last ride on the lake, and I have time to join them because why? The lights work. So yeah, this Tenacious bitch is not infallible. In fact, sometimes she's rather delicate. But you know what? She puts her mind to it and she does these things. And if this Tenacious bitch can do it, if this Tenacious bitch can do it, you can do it too. So I'll show what it looks like in the nighttime. It's so pretty. Until next time, Tenacious bitch signing out.